Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Catherine and today I'm going to show you how to put the glow around pictures or emojis for thumbnails. So without further ado, let's jump into it.
Thumbnail for a video that I'm going to upload. So I've already written out the text and the put the emoji I wanted to use on there. So let me show you how easy this is to put the glow on. So you click what you want. You know, I want this to be all glowy. You go up to the top, you hit layer, layer style, outer glow. And there it is. So over here you can change like the opacity, see? Or the noise that just kind of makes it grainy. I honestly don't really like that. The spread, see, you can make it really big or not very there. I'm going to keep it about here. And then size, just how big your glow is going to be. So there you go. And when you're happy with it, you just hit OK. And there it is. Same for the emoji. I'm just going to show you again. So I clicked the emoji, hit layer, layer style, outer glow, and there you have it. I want the size. Let's see. Maybe that. Yeah, works for me. Okay, and that's it.
I hope that tutorial was helpful for you. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you know when I post another helpful tip like this. And also don't forget to visit my website for my free ebook. Top 5 ways to make money online if you're a traveler or a side hustler or stay-at-home person for any walk of life. Anyway, thanks for being here and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. I'm going to teach you how to put the glow around. Are you fucking kidding me? I can't reach my phone, so. Okay, thank you. Rude.